Yes, sir.
My question is photocopying considered a piracy?
Ayos sa akin lang. We have discussed this intensely the revolution. There is what we call the fair use doctrine. I also believe that this endeavor is meant to enlighten you in terms of education, intellectual learning, or I will not get into it. Ang aming pinag-usapan, and I think we both agree on this, is for us na we decide now na mag-download and then to convert or to copy on optical video format, and you seek to gain from it financially or commercially, then it becomes crime. Pero kung para lang for institutional learning, or you to further your education or your knowledge, we would not like to consider it, or we don't look at it as being violative of the law. Clear?
Thank you.
Thank you. Now I think you have to wait.